This looks like a regular Android phone, right? But watch this. If I open this app and tap this button, my phone instantly transforms into a fully functional Windows 11 computer. Yeah, you saw that right. With just one tap, my phone transformed into a fully functional Windows 11 machine. And this isn't some limited emulated version, this is a full-fledged Windows experience. You can install any Windows app, connect any peripheral, be it a mouse, keyboard, or even a printer, and it works just like a mini PC. You can use the touchscreen like a tablet, or connect a wireless mouse and keyboard for a more traditional desktop feel. This is the dual boot setup on an Android phone. If you're curious about what this setup is truly capable of, check out my other video where I push it to its limits by running heavy-duty softwares. But today, I'm going to show you how to install this setup on your own device. Oh, and if you're wondering how to switch back to Android, it's as simple as clicking this icon right here. And just like that, we're back to Android. All right, let's get to the installation. To get started, head over to the Renegade website on your PC. Here you'll find all the installation guides, details, and a list of supported devices. But fair warning, this setup isn't available for every phone out there. The list of supported devices is pretty limited. If you're lucky and your phone is supported, you'll find detailed, device-specific instructions and even dual boot setup guides on their GitHub repo. Now, let's talk about the prerequisites. These are the requirements for this setup. If you're fulfilling all the requirements, let's continue. For this example, I'm using Poco F1, and I've already downloaded all the necessary files listed on instructions page. The first file is a fine-tuned Windows 11 ARM image. The second file is a backup of my modem files, which are essential for maintaining proper network connectivity and communication on mobile devices. Instructions for backing up these files can be found on the instructions page. Other files include a custom ROM for my phone, a Windows installer script, a modified Orange Fox recovery, the Switch to Windows app, and my Partition table file. All right, we've got all the files, let's install them one by one. First, reboot your phone into fast boot mode and connect it to your PC. We'll start by installing Orange Fox recovery. Once that's done, boot into recovery mode. Now we need to create a partition for the Windows system. Open the terminal inside the recovery and type partition, followed by the space you want to allocate. For example, my phone has 120 GB of storage, so I'm giving 60 GB to the Windows system. Keep in mind this is a modified version of Orange Fox that lets us create partitions directly in the recovery terminal, something standard recoveries don't allow. Once the partition is created, it's time to root the phone using Magisk. Enable ADB in recovery, and then push the Magisk file. You can move files however you prefer, but I'm using ADB for consistency. After flashing Magisk, move the Windows ESD file into the Downloads folder of your phone's internal storage. If the Downloads folder doesn't appear, or if the files seem encrypted, simply wipe the data partition from Recovery, create a new Downloads folder, and then move the ESD file. Once you've confirmed the Windows file is in place, open ADB again in Recovery and sideload the Windows installer. Now this is a huge file and installation can take up to 30 minutes, so be patient and don't interrupt the process. Once the Windows file is installed, reboot your phone. If you see this screen, congratulations! You've successfully installed Windows on your phone. Your phone will automatically boot and set up the Windows system. This part might take a while, and your phone could reboot several times during the setup. Once that's done, set up Windows like you would on any other device, and you're good to go. And remember, if you want to switch back to Android at any time, just click the Android icon on your desktop. And that's it for this video. You'll find all the related links down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next one.